Hello, this is Mangal Security Product. Today we will show you KT7000C breath alcohol analyzer. Here you have the box. Here you can see we have mouthpiece, we have charger, we have KT7000C, we have mouthpiece set, data to PC cable, and we have paper roll. So this is India's first biometric enabled breath alcohol analyzer. Here you can see the KT7000C. Now in order to switch it on, there is a button on the right side. You have to press it and KT7000C will switch on. Now because this is Android based, it will take some time. So in the meantime, I will explain you some of its features. It has 4 core processors, so it is very fast. It is Android based with Android system 7.1.2. It has fuel cell electrochemical sensor. It has touchscreen display of 4.5 inch. It has a camera of 8 megapixels with night vision function with infrared light in order to capture in the dark. It has battery of 4500 mAh with memory of 10 million test results. It has handwritten signature, that is, it can support handwritten police and subject signatures, and it has inbuilt thermal printer. Now by default it is at the air blank test option, which is that it will check the environment, sensor and mouthpiece if it is attached, and it will tell you the alcohol residue, that is if there's any presence of alcohol or not. Now if you press OK, so the main and unique feature is that it can be unlocked with in 2 ways, either with password or with fingerprint. You can see here this is the fingerprint sensor. Now it has an option to create 120 admin users. So here you can see it has been unlocked by the fingerprint. Now we'll show you how to create the admin users so that different people can operate this device. You can see here in the settings, user management. If you click on it here, now you can see there are already three admin users. If you want to create more admin users, just press on the plus option. Now there are many options for the entry. You have police name, police ID, department. You can type any name, type any police ID, department name, login account, login password, and confirm password. In order to go down, you have to press the rightmost button, and you have to put your fingerprint, whoever is going to be the new admin. And now you have to scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor. Press OK, and now you have to press on the save. Now if you have to take the test, you have to click on the BAC test option in the middle. Now you can see it is saying the zero clearance is complete, as we have said earlier that it checks for the mouthpiece and checks for the alcohol. Now in order to use the KT7000C, you have to first know how to assemble the mouthpiece. You have to take the big mouthpiece and small mouthpiece, insert it like this, and you can see there's a hole. Here you insert the mouthpiece like this, and now you have to blow in it. Now you can see it takes 2 to 3 seconds for the blow. Now you have to press on the next. There will be 2 options, pre-flight and post-flight. Click on the next. You have the option to enter crew name and license number. You can press on next, and see you have the option for the signature display. This is for the testee, the one who is being tested, and you have the option to enter the fingerprint. See, after the finger has been on fingerprint sensor, it says fingerprint enroll completed. You can press on it, and here you can see have the option for test location and signature of the examiner. Press on next, and here you can have the report. Here the signature of the crew member of the doctor, and here you can have the print. As you can see, the signatures can also be printed with the image itself. Okay, now we will go to home button. Now the main point is that because this is the biometric enabled, it helps us to eliminate the witness that we previously needed in our test. Here you can see there are two options, records query and data statistics. If you go to records query, here if you go to the latest test, see you have the option, as you can see the option of fingerprint sensor. If you click on it, and when you press your finger on the fingerprint sensor, it will tell you that fingerprint is verified. This is of the testee whose fingerprint is verified. Now in case if somebody else fingerprint is on the fingerprint sensor, see it says the fingerprint does not match. Now the second option is the data statistics. It will tell us how many tests has been done per day. Now today it says 8, that means that 8 people have been tested today. It says, now you can see there are 3 points, no alcohol person 8, drink person 0, and drunk person 0%. So with this 3 data you can see how many have been drinking and how many have been clear. Okay, now we will go to the home screen. So as you can see, this is India's first biometric enabled breath alcohol analyzer, and in order to switch it off, you have to just hold on the switch button. Here you have the option for power off,